Go big or go home. Here are some of the players that probably should have just gone home.
Fool. What? He shot to the fool. What? Ernie said I can't mention my college anymore. Done.
Go Dogs.
Number 4, Jamal Crawford.
No, not crossover.
With a pass so bad it makes the Phoenix Nachos look good.
Oh, man. He was open though. He should. No, that was actually the roller's fault.
There it is.
That was the roller's fault.
One of those pickles
That was
on the
not.
nacho.
That was the roller's fault. No question.
Number 3, Russell Westbrook.
Russ. He's been on there.
Hoping for a second chance with the rim on Valentine's Day.
I like the stare at the rim.
That was a nice miss though. I'm not gonna lie. That was a nice miss.
Number 2, Bradley Beal.
Not the Bill guy.
Only a wizard could pull off this move.
Only a wizard.
Come on, man.
They didn't even call travel.
Come on.
It wasn't.
And how about the NBA saying it wasn't traveling?
Oh my gosh, that's sports.
Come on, man.
Because he had lost possession.
Look good to me.
And number 1, Timberwolves and Pelicans.
Oh, God.
Show us how not to set up for a free throw.
Oh my God. No.
I say I like stuff like this that happens away from the action. This is tremendous.
Oh, my God.
Oh, Charles.
The worst mascot ever.
Oh, that was the worst experience.
It's the baby.